Hello, my young developers. Hope you all are doing good. Welcome to my channel, Digitalize the World. In today's lesson, we will be learning a ping pong game. In the last lesson, as I promised, and I'm going to come back with a very surprising game. Here I am. So let's dig in and see what project we are going to do today. Friends, let's start our project. So first of all, we will delete this stick from here as we're going to create a new project. Let's start with the backdrop. I am going to design the cover page first. So to design the cover page, first of all, you will go to the paintbrush and we will add a background at the back. Let's take any color like that. And on the top of this, to make your cover page beautiful, let's draw some patterns. So you just drag this rectangular box just like that and fill the same color like this. And let's make a clone of it with the help of this button. There you go. So we have the second clone. We want another clone to be added in the center. Just like this. Let's go. Okay. Now, we are going to type here with the ABC button, let's say ping pong game. Let's have the size. If I do this, and let's change the color to white. Put this title in the center. In this O letter, I want to add a ping pong ball. I'm going to take this ping pong ball and put this in the center. But that's too big. Let's make it shrink. 1, 2. That's okay. Let's put this right in the center. Okay, my cover page is ready. But I want a button, a start button, that whenever I click on the start button, I go to the next backdrop and my game starts working. To draw the button, let's take a shape. Let's take any shape. Let's take a green color and just add the same color inside like that. Now, let's add start inside. First, let's make it a little bigger. Now place it in the center. And now let's type start. Let's type in capital letters. Let's have it in white color. This size is good. There you go. This seems not to be white, so but that's okay. All right, so we have created the start button. So when you click on the start button, then you will shift to the next background. So first of all, let's add a backdrop. I want to choose farm. Okay, now let's do the coding. When we are touching this rectangular box on which start button is written, it will take us to the second page, the second background. Okay, and I also want to add a sound. Let's try. When you click on the green flag and I click on this button, see, it took you to the second backdrop. From now onwards, from here, we'll start making your animation and the ping pong project. So first of all, we need a ball. I'm going to take the same ball. Let's make the paddles. So let's draw them. We can draw using this square and we will draw in this color. Let's draw it and fill it with the same color. There you go. One is already ready. Let's click on the grid button and we make it a little longer. So let's make the size grow. Okay, and let's place it just here. Okay, we want the same one again. And we will put this one here. Just like that, and make the size even bigger. Let's see. Perfect. Okay, basically I want that these paddles should be standing where 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on the 7th place here. So both of them are standing on the perfect place. We will make the size of the ball a little smaller. 1, 2. Let's put the ball here. Let's count. I want to put the ball just in the center. Right now, these grids boxes have 20 steps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's already in the center. So my ball will be at the 10th step here. And these two paddles are standing on the 7th step from the top. Now, let's fix the starting position of this ball. When green flag click, go to home. These two blocks will make your ball lock the position. In the same way, we have to lock the positions for these paddles also. You drag the code inside, just like that, and you will see all the 3 sprites or the characters got locked with the positions. Next, we have to do the coding in these paddles. So when clicked, I want the paddle to be, now we are doing right now the coding for this paddle. So I want the paddle to go up, down, and the loop will be forever loop. So we want the paddle to go up. How many steps? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's say this paddle has to go all the way to the up, then will come back to its starting position, and then it will go down with the same number of steps. Let's say 6 steps. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then this process has to be repeating forever. So when it goes up, it stays here, then goes down, then goes up, then goes down. So then it will come back to its starting position and will repeat forever. Let's see how this code is working. Perfect. Okay, the speed is nice, but we can make the speed fast as well. How? We go to the controls here and there is a speed lock. You can make the speed of the paddle go very fast. Let's see. That's amazing. This is how I want it. Now, you don't have to do the coding again for this character. Just put this code inside another one. So it's going to work in the same way. Let's test it. Ta-da! So this is how we do the coding for your both the paddles. Now we will do the coding for the ball. Okay, this ball has to go all the way left, right, and when it touches these paddles, it has to turn back. So what we do, first of all, we say green flag, and I want the ball to go first on the left side. So how many steps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I say go to the left side with 8 steps. Now let's see. See, this ball is stuck here now. Now we want the ball, when it's touching the paddle, it should go backwards. So how many steps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So when it hits the paddle, the ball has to go all the way to the right side with 17 steps. Let's see now. Okay, 17. It's keep on going. So it means, let me add it. Let me add the other one also, 17. And then let's test it out if that works good. Yes. So see, when it's bumping both the paddles, it's working, it's turning back. And this is what we wanted. Okay. So now, what next we have to do? Now students, whenever your ball is hitting to your paddle, I want the pop sound to be produced. So how to do that? We click on these paddles and we say, when hitting, like when bumping, I want to add a pop sound. And these 2 blocks will be added in the other one also. Let's drag it. And we have the same code here. Now we will test it. This is our final project. Now let's test it out how that works. Okay, let's first reset it. We click on the start button and our project gets started. So this is your actual project. I hope students you have understood it. If you have not understood any point, do ask me in the comment section. Okay students, so see you in my next lesson with an amazing and a surprising project. I hope you like my project. Do like and subscribe my channel and stay tuned with me. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.